attack us way too much.
Hold this. Stand back. Because you don't know how to deal with them.
Where'd it go?
Right there. Okay, close.
To your water. I guess it's really thirsty.
Oh god.
Yeah, you
Where is
said
it?
It went behind the fence. Oh, jeez.
An idiot. How do we never land?
Well, we landed in my cup for water. Oh, it's right behind my chair.
Just live with it.
These are the rules how to kill a bee. No, because it's like it's like that's by your cup.